If you think forming a New Mexico LLC takes weeks, you're wasting 14 days, and here's how Bastion Formations does it in 3. Here's the problem. Most formation services lie about the actual timeline. Online filing with the New Mexico Secretary of State takes 3 to 5 business days in 2026. Expedited processing drops it to 24 hours, but costs an extra $100 on top of the $50 filing fee. New Mexico is one of the fastest LLC states in 2026, but only if you file correctly. A non-US founder files on Monday, misses one checkbox, and waits 21 days for rejection before starting over. That's 3 weeks of lost runway. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to handle every filing detail the first time so you're live in 3 days, not 3 weeks. Most people fail here. They file the articles of organization but forget New Mexico requires a registered agent with a physical New Mexico address before approval. No agent means automatic rejection. The state doesn't email you, they just sit on it for 14 to 21 days, then send a paper letter. With Bastion Formations, we include the New Mexico registered agent in the $249 package, so your filing clears in 3 business days guaranteed. Step 1 is filing the articles of organization with the New Mexico Secretary of State. The base fee is $50. Processing takes 3 to 5 business days in 2026. If you need it faster, expedited service costs $100 extra and delivers in 24 hours. Bastion Formations handles the filing for $249, which includes formation, registered agent, EIN application, and mail forwarding, so you're not paying piecemeal fees that add up to $400 or more. Step 2 is getting your EIN from the IRS. This is important. The IRS processes EIN applications in 2 to 4 weeks by mail for non-US founders in 2026, or instantly by phone if you have a US Social Security number. Most foreign founders wait a month. Bastion Formations applies for your EIN the same day your LLC is approved, cutting the total timeline to 5 business days end-to-end, formation plus EIN in hand. Here's the problem. Path A is DIY filing. You pay $50 to the state, then $125 per year for a registered agent, then wait 2 to 4 weeks for the IRS to mail your EIN. Total time is 25 to 35 days. Total first year cost is $175 minimum. Path B is Bastion Formations. You pay $249 once, we file in 3 days, EIN arrives in 5 days, and registered agent is included for the first year. Once your LLC is approved, you need an operating agreement even though New Mexico doesn't require you to file it. Banks and payment processors in 2026 ask for it when you open accounts. Here's the exact wording to include in your single-member operating agreement. The member holds 100% of membership interest and has sole authority to bind the company in all transactions. Copy that sentence into your agreement under the management section. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations handle it. We generate a bank-ready operating agreement, notarize it if needed, and include it in your formation package so your account applications don't get delayed. The member holds 100% of membership interest and has sole authority to bind the company in all transactions. New Mexico LLC approval takes 3 to 5 business days in 2026. Expedited filing costs $100 extra and delivers in 24 hours. Bastion Formations does it for $249 with agent, EIN, and mail forwarding. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com to get your New Mexico LLC done in 3 days. Visit https://bastionformations.com.